In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove members to the Outlook contact group. Start by opening your web browser and heading to outlook.live.com. Sign in if you're prompted to. Once you're in, make sure you're in the mail experience. If you see options like inbox and sent items on the left, you're in the right place. If not, click the mail icon to switch from other Outlook apps like Calendar or People. At the top left, look for the new mail button. Instead of clicking it directly, open its drop-down menu by selecting the small arrow next to it. From that menu, choose Group. This takes you into the group creation panel where you'll set up the basics. Enter a clear, memorable group name. Pick something your team or contacts will immediately recognize, and keep it short so it's easy to find when composing emails later. Next, add a brief description. This is a handy place to explain the group's purpose, like which project it supports or who should be included. Keep in mind that group names and descriptions are visible to members, so avoid sensitive details. When the name and description look good, click Create. Outlook will set up the group and then prompt you to add members. You can start typing names if they're already in your contacts, or paste full email addresses for people inside or outside your organization, depending on your account settings. After each email address, press Enter to confirm the addition. You'll see each member appear in the list as you go. Take a moment to scan for typos. One extra character in an address can stop messages from reaching the right person. If you add someone by mistake or need to remove a member later, look for the trash icon next to that person's name in the member list. Click the trash icon, confirm the removal if prompted, and they'll be taken out of the group. This doesn't delete them from your contacts, it just removes them from this specific group. A quick tip for using your new contact group: when you compose a message, start typing the group name in the To field, select it from the suggestions, and Outlook will send the email to all current members. If you ever don't see the group option under the new mail dropdown, your account type or admin settings might limit group creation, so check with your administrator or use an existing group instead. That's it. You've created a group, added members, and learned how to remove them when needed.